Have you ever seen an old black and white photo and wished it had color? Now you can make that happen. Photoshop now has a new cool tool that can add color to old photos. In fact, adding color to old photos can make them feel more alive. It can help you connect with the people in the pictures. Colorful photos can also show details you might miss in black and white. Plus, it's fun to see how things may have looked in the past. So, open your photo in Photoshop. Make a copy of your photo layer. This keeps the original safe and you can always go back if needed. Then, turn the copy into a smart object. This lets you change things later if you want. Then, go to the upper menu, select the filter and find the neural filters. This opens a new sidebar on the right side of the screen. Here, you get a list of the latest neural filters. If you have never used them, you will see a cloud icon next to most of them. This means you need to download the filter from the Adobe Cloud. As you can see from the screen, I have already downloaded all of these files. So, to fix a color on the photo, look for Colorize and turn it on. Photoshop will try to guess the colors. It often does a good job, but sometimes it needs help. You can fix parts that don't look right. For example, here the fence has too bright brown color according to me. So go to the photo preview in the right sidebar and then click on the area you want to change. Pick a new color for that area. Then hit OK and let AI apply the color. To get even more control over the color, use the strength slider to make the color stronger or weaker. If you make a mistake, you can remove the color dot or move it and keep trying until you like how it looks. After you are satisfied, simply select if you want to change a new layer from this modified image or replace the current one. It's up to you. As you can see, this is one of the most simplest ways to add colors to your black and white photo. Give this method a try and see how you can restore your old photos and give them a new colors. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for similar videos like this one.